In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a double exposure effect in Photoshop using Adobe Creative Cloud. This is a fantastic and creative way to blend two images into a single artistic expression, and it's pretty straightforward once you know the steps. So whether you're a seasoned Photoshop user or a beginner, you'll find this guide helpful. Let's start by opening Adobe Photoshop. If you don't have it open yet, go ahead and launch the program. Once Photoshop is up and running, we're going to need to import the two images that you want to blend together for this effect. You can choose any two images that inspire you, or perhaps tell a story when combined. With Photoshop open, head over to the File menu and click Open. Select your first image from your files. Once your first image is open, we need to bring in the second image. You can do this by dragging the second image file directly from your computer into the Photoshop workspace. Alternatively, you can go back to the File menu, click Place Embedded, and select your second image. Now that we have both images in the workspace, let's move on to blending them together. We're going to focus on the first layer, which should be your primary image. Click on this layer in the Layers panel to select it. Next, we'll need to change the blending mode of this layer to Screen. This can be done by locating the drop-down menu at the top of the Layers panel that currently says Normal. Click on it and then select Screen. This mode is going to help merge the images by lightening the areas of the primary image, which allows the second image to come through. With the screen blending mode applied, you may notice that some areas might not align perfectly or might need a little touch-up for a seamless integration. That's where the eraser tool comes in handy. Select the eraser tool from the left-hand toolbar or simply press E on your keyboard. Before you start erasing, adjust the brush size and hardness to suit the areas you're working on. A softer brush with lower hardness is usually ideal for blending edges softly. Carefully erase parts of the first layer to help reveal more of the second image. This part may require a bit of trial and error as you adjust the blend to your liking. And there you have it. You've created a beautiful double exposure effect that combines both images into an intricate and captivating piece of art. Remember, you can always experiment with different images and blending options to see what works best for your project. If this is your first experience with double exposures in Photoshop, don't be discouraged if it takes a few tries to get it just right. Practice makes perfect, and soon you'll be creating stunning compositions with confidence.